Hey guys, Ms. Miller's here and we are doing today's math lesson. So we are focusing on shapes review and we're going to talk about more on subtraction. I know since we've been doing our distance learning, we brought up doing subtraction, doing practice. I want to do a practice with you, showing you different ways that we are going to use subtraction, both with shapes and actually using piece of paper and a pencil. So if you want to pause and get prepared, find some type of paper. I don't care if it's construction paper, lined paper, copy paper, just a blank piece of paper and something to write with. It could be a crayon, pencil, marker, anything that will work for you, because I would like all the students to practice what I'm doing in today's video. All right, so let's get started with our shape review. Okay, so we have here, what is this? Triangle. What's next? Circle and square and a rectangle. Now, the square has 4 sides that are equal length. Then the rectangle has 2 sides that are shorter, 2 sides that are longer, and that's how we know that is a rectangle. And there's more shapes out there that we have reviewed. I don't have them in this form, but I think I might draw them out for you. We can practice doing that. Okay, so again, we have triangle, circle, rectangle, square, and rectangle. All right, so I want to do a subtraction problem, so a subtraction math problem, while using shapes first. So let's start with triangles. Actually, no, we're not gonna work with triangles because I don't have many of those shapes, but I have circles and squares. So let's do circles first. All right, 2 circles. Now I'm gonna take away 1, which means subtract, minus. How many circles do I have left? 1, very good. All right, let's do 3 circles. Now 3 circles, and you can take your paper and you can write 3. Okay, see that? Number 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 circles. The minus sign looks like this. Let's say take away 1. Okay, this is what the math problem looks like. 3 minus 1. So we can do that with our circles. So we're going to take 1 away. How many is that? 2. The answer is 2. Okay? 3 minus 2 circles. Let's go back to 3 again. Let's write our next problem. 3. Now I'm going to say take away minus 2. So take away 2 of them. How many is left? 1. Sorry, it's kind of bumpy. I'm writing on my mat here. So as we saw, 3 circles, take away 2 circles, leaves us with 1 circle left. All right, let's move on to a different shape. All right, we have squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see all of them? 4 squares. So I'm going to write the number 4. Minus, let's say 1. Okay, and I want my students writing this down, practicing, that you can have your visuals in front of you and work the problem. If you saw this on a math worksheet next year, you're going to say, oh, I remember Miss Miller talked about that. She taught me when I see this is called a subtraction problem, and that top number is the number we start with. That bottom number is what we're taking away. So we have 4 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take away 1 leaves us with how many? 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. Good job, guys. All right, I want you to keep practicing. I want you to make up numbers. How about I have you do 4 minus 2. How about we do 5 minus 3? And how about 5 minus 2? And let's do one more. 6 minus 4. I want to see, can you work these math problems? Can you send me a video or a picture where you've worked these math problems out? So I'm going to put my name. Today is 5/5/2020, which is May 5th, 2020, which is our date. And let's see, I would love to see if you can work on your math problems. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. This would just be a great exercise to work on today. And again, I'm glad that you checked in with me, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.